Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. Although the businesswoman liked to pretend that she had no formal education, she had actually studied at an university in Mexico for 5 years. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. The businesswoman. There's nothing wrong with this phrase. Like businessman, businesswoman is spelled as one word with no space, so this is correct. This choice can be marked off. C. No formal education. This phrase is followed by a necessary comma. This phrase is a dependent clause, meaning it can't stand on its own as a sentence. The phrase begins with the word although, a subordinating conjunction. By definition, subordinating conjunctions, like because, since, if, while, etc., signal that the sentence cannot stand by itself as a dependent clause. And as English grammar rules dictate that a dependent clause must be separated from an independent clause by a comma, we can see that this comma is grammatically correct. As all is in order here, we can mark this choice off. And D, an university. Here we see a problem. It's a common misconception that in English, words beginning with a consonant must be preceded by a, while words beginning with a vowel are preceded by an. This is close to the truth, but not entirely. The rule relates to words beginning with a consonant or vowel sound, not simply the consonant or vowel itself. Here, for example, the word university technically begins with a vowel, U, but it begins with a consonant sound, the Y sound, U. We find a similar phenomenon with the word hour, for example. It starts with a consonant, H, but the word starts with a vowel sound, ow. Therefore, we say an hour, not a hour. This being the case, we can see that this sentence should read a university. As this phrase has an error, we can go ahead and mark choice D as our final answer.